Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is your name?
My name is Silva Maiti and your name is?
My name is Sumita Manna. Where are you from?
I am from Bolaiponda, Moina, Purba Bindapur district. And you?
I am from Nondigram of Purbo Medinipur district. What do you like to mm, what do you like to eat?
Momo. And you? I like to I like to eat momo. And you?
কিছুই পছন্দ করি না। Yes, I like to eat biryani.
Why?
কেন বিরিয়ানি? Leg না। Actually, I mostly love rice for biryani and biryani is which is used for biryani. Those rice are favorite for of me to me, and I like to aloo with potato. Yes, potato. That's why I like.
How many family member in your family?
In our family, there are four member in our family. My husband, me, and my father-in-law and mother-in-law. And how much? How many member in your family?
In my family member, there are four member in our family. My father, my brother, and me myself. But my brother, she read in pharmacy, studies in pharmacy at Kolkata. Stay outside.
Do you
What?
like travel?
Yes, I love traveling. And you?
Yes, I mostly love travel. And in which place you visit? What is your favorite destination?
Switzerland. And you?
আমি বললাম মানে আমি বলতে চাইছিলাম যে না, আমি বলতে চাইছিলাম মানে কোথায় কোথায় ঘুরতে গেছো? In which place you visited?
Bihar and Puri. And you?
I visited Darjeeling and Ajodha. I mean Purulia, Jharkhand. Yes. হ্যাঁ 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 অযোধ্যা হিল and Jharkhand and Digha uh, and etc.
Okay. And what is your future goal?
I want to be a teacher in my future. And what you want to be if in future in your future?
I want to be my future is a doctor, optometric specialist, and then I thought first about the situation, and
Now what you doing now? What are you doing now?
now I passed my HS examination in 2023. Then I get admission at Mecheda Lingua Spoken English Institute.
Okay. Now you don't want to admission in college?
No, I thought that Midnapur Medical College and Hospital and Vidyasagar College Optometric and Bhasan Science, but এখনো ঠিক হয়নি. Did not I decided? Till now I have not decided, but few days later I got decided.
Okay.
You what you did now?
Actually, I completed recently. I completed B.Ed, and now I clear interview for PhD from Vidyasagar University. I want to do PhD from Vidyasagar University
Which subject?
in economics. And
Why you choice economics?
actually, when I take economics subject in HS exam, HS higher secondary, uh, in other subject, I think economics. I don't know why, but I am so excited, interested in this subject. Actually, there are trade and banking. There are about market system. I mean, demand supply. Um, I mean, in real life situation are মানে তুলে ধরা হয়, exposed in this subject. So I love this subject very much. Yes.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What is your husband name?
My husband name is Pratik Ranjan Bayer. And are you married?
No.
Getting experience.
What he do?
What he
Yes.
does.
What he does?
What is he actually?
What is-
What is he?
What is he?
Actually, he is a official worker.
Official না official মানে হচ্ছে পুরোটা অফিসের দায়িত্বে থাকা ব্যক্তিকে বলা অফিসিয়াল he is an official of he is
Of-
an
He is an official of a college. Of a college.
কলেজ
But
অফিসের দায়িত্ব সম্পন্ন
How you reach here?
by train I reach here. At first I walk 10 minutes from my mess to Deshopran station, and then railway station, and then
ট্রেন
I took train from Deshopran station and arrive Panskura station at about 9 a.m. and then I আবার অন্য ট্রেন ধরেছি, another I change another train, and I take Howrah train, and reached Mechida station at about. After that I walking for 5 minutes and then reach in this institute.
ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ
Thank you.
Thank you.